Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 E-Pace. The Jaguar E-Pace sport utility vehicle offers an athletic-looking exterior and technology that will impress. The E-Pace is a perfect blend of vast luxury in a compact SUV body. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rain sensing wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.